Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike and Lola. There she is right there with her pretty hair bow. Okay. But I want to tell you, today we have a big day ahead of us. You going to steal the seat again? Is this what you're going to do? Yeah? Okay, great. Well, we bought a car. Okay, so we're going to go, well, there's actually a few steps that we have to go through before we can get the car. So I thought I would take you guys on a little journey with me, kind of a vlog, I don't know, on YouTube about how we're going to get this crazy car to Casa de Mule. That's where I live. It's the shop that I work at the back of my house. So anyway, we are here. We have to go to Copart because we want a car. So let's go do that first. Let's go get a car. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, we're in the mighty ML, the mighty ML 500, and you'll notice the towel across the defrost vents. Yeah, that's an added touch. Yep, you got to pay extra for that. You got to pay $1.87 at Walmart for the towel to cover up the defrost vents because your flap doesn't close. Okay, so we went to Copart, and what we did, we bought the car. You don't know what kind of a car it is yet, but I won the auction at $1,300, and then I had all these fees that I had to add to it, okay? So our total so far today is $1,855. All right, we're here at the tag agency. This is the Barnes Tag Agency in Big T Town. This is voted #1 customer service for years and years and years. It's really cool on the inside. There's all these old newspaper headlines from, you know, Pearl Harbor, when World War II, World War I started, all this kind of stuff. When Kennedy was shot. I don't know if they're all legit. They could be fake, but it's cool. It has lots of old things on. I went to the tag agency because I have to get proof of ownership. So I went to the tag agency and I spent $207.30 on getting the title and everything in my name. So our total so far is right here. Cha-ching. Now what we do is we take our, right there, title receipt, certificate of registration, and we have to go to the dealer, and we have to spend even more money because we have to get a key. You want to go to the dealer? You want to spend more money? Is that a no or a yes? 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 Okay, let's go to the dealer and spend lots of money. All right, here we are. We're coming up on the Jackie Cooper Imports. We got the Porsches on one side, the Benzes on the other side. It's really kind of a small dealership, but I kind of sneak in the back. Yeah, because I don't buy the new fancy cars. I buy the old ones that need lots of work. So this is it right here. We're going to go inside. We're going to spend some more money, and well, let's see, where should I park? I'm just going to pull up here like I'm a baller. Yeah, I'm going to park by this new C43 AMG. Yeah, that's a nice car. Okay. Oh, even a Porsche charging. Okay, we're just going to go get a key real quick. Hang tight. All right, we just stepped out of the parts department. Mike is happy. Yeah, Mike is happy because he just got to spend $359.17 on a key. Yeah, can you believe that? Yeah, $359.17. Let's break it down for you. Break it down for me, fellas. Okay, the actual key fob itself, $240.99. And then look right here. The key, the mechanical key, the little blade that sits inside the key in case the key fob does not work, is $90. $90 for a little piece of metal to open a door when the other part fails. So we are in the car now for however much the first part was, okay, $1,800 and something dollars, then $210 something dollars, and now $360. This thing is just getting more and more interesting, isn't it? Isn't it just great? Yeah, isn't this the best? Okay, that's the first part of the vlog. Yeah, we just spent a whole bunch of money on this, and we have another part to continue because now that we have the key ordered, we have to come back to the Mercedes dealer, we have to pick up the key, then we have to go and pick up the car, we have to get a tow dolly, then get the car, and then go back to the house. Shouldn't that be fun? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to pick it up when Mike gets the key. I do want to see if there's even a battery. You know, do you get a battery and a key when you spend $367? Sorry about the crappy camera work, but I just want to know what $360 will buy these days. So let's just look at that. I've never had a shinier, brighter, more expensive key. Does it work? Alrighty, McTidy, look at this. We're here. We're here to get the vehicle. We have the U-Haul, we have the mighty ML, and a big old factory right next door. How about that? Okay, so Copart does it differently now. You have to wait in line outside. You have to go to kiosk.copart.com, and then they'll text you when they are ready to see you inside, and you got to have one of these. You got to have a mask to go inside. So we're going to do that, and we're going to get the car placed right here. Do you know what it is? Any idea? Do you follow me on Instagram or the Facebook? If so, you might know. Yeah, Monkey Wrench Mike. You get new information before everybody else does on YouTube. I'm just that kind of a person now. I'm not. I'm really not. I'm not. So anyway, let's get this car on the machine right there. Okay, we're going to get the car on the trailer. It has just been delivered. You want a sneak peek? We're missing a couple of pieces. Okay, we are missing a couple of pieces. And oh my gosh, I hope the lug nut. Oh my goodness, that's going to be a whole nother, oh man. Okay, now this one we have an issue. This one is kind of going the wrong way. Okay, yeah, so we're going to have to fix the tie rod right there. It's the inner tie rod, it's broken. I need an inner and outer tie rod. And I get a little oil, thing of oil. Okay. Valvoline, that's good to know. Let's continue the close-up. You guys know what it is yet? Any idea? Have you been following along? Here's a clue. Okay, there's a clue. Here's another clue. See how low? Yeah. Okay, my heart is really, really beating right now because I hope that there's a lug nut. Yeah, okay. Do you know? Any idea? Woo! Here we go. We're missing some pieces. Okay, so we're missing this. We're missing a fender. We're missing a hood, a bumper, 2 headlights, inner and outer tie rod. Maybe some suspension components. Has Mike done it? Has Mike bought another do you know, 220? Has he? He did. Why in the world would he buy another W220? He already had a nice one with the split back seats and everything. He bought another one. You know why? Do you know? Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, that is why. Yes, sirree, Bob. That is why Mike spent, I think I'm at $2,400 so far on this car, and I need some major pieces. That right there, folks, that is it. That is the reason why Mike has spent so much money. I don't even know if she's going to start. I don't know what kind of a background she's got. Good title. Good title, okay? So, with that, say a prayer that Mike can find the key that unlocks those lug nuts. Yeah, that's going to be great. With that, folks, we're going to call it a video. Yeah, that's a teaser. That's all you get to see right now. So that's it. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, sir, Bob. All right, the next part on the mighty AMG Rebuild. You know, should I say it's an S55? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I've always wanted one of these. Here it is. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that. And look at the dent. Yeah, can you even see? Yeah, right there. Okay. Yep, it's an S55 AMG, and she's gorgeous, baby. She's gorgeous. Stay tuned. We're going to have more videos coming up on this very, very soon. Bye!